Hi, my name's David. Today we're going to do number 2469, convert the temperature. This is an easy level problem on LeetCode. I'm going to solve it in JavaScript. This is a good beginner problem too, if this is one of the first few LeetCode problems you've done to get used to the platform. So in this problem, we're giving a number that represents Celsius, and then we want to convert it to Kelvin and Fahrenheit, and then return it as an array of the first index being Kelvin and then the second index being Fahrenheit. So these are the formulas we're going to use to convert Celsius to Kelvin and Fahrenheit. And then if we look at the example, we have an input of Celsius 36.5, and then we return an array of two values. The first index is 309.65 being Kelvin, and then the second one, 97.7, is the Fahrenheit conversion of the input. So example 2, we have an input of Celsius 122.11, so 122.11, and then we return an output, which is an array of two index. The first index is the Kelvin, and then the second index is the Fahrenheit. So to solve this problem, the first thing we want to do is find Kelvin from Celsius, and we can just use this formula here. Next, we find Fahrenheit from Celsius. We can also use this formula here. Now we have both of the values now. Now we return and then it as an array of Kelvin and Fahrenheit. So this would symbolize what we're trying to do. So we can create a variable for these. So we can do const Kelvin temp equals, and then we can just copy this formula, not this part, and Celsius is lowercase here. Now we do the same for Fahrenheit. So const Fahrenheit temp equals, and we can just copy this formula and make this a lowercase. Next, we just return what they ask for. So it's an array, and then the first value is Kelvin temp. And then the second value is Fahrenheit temp. Great. Great. So now for the time and space complexity. Because these are constant operations, we're having just a multiplication addition. So it's O of 1. And then the space complexity, we're taking up space here, but it's going to be constant no matter what. So because there's always going to be two of them. So space complexity is O of 1. So that's how you solve this problem. Thank you so much.